Welcome to part 3 of our tour. Today we leave the grand landmarks behind to explore the quiet corners and hidden secrets where the true soul of Venice resides. We begin in Cannaregio, Venice's second largest district. Historically, the industrial backbone of the city, it remains a vibrant neighborhood for locals. Here we find the historic Jewish ghetto, the first of its kind in the world. Its unique skyscrapers reached 7 stories to house the community. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Established in 1516, the ghetto remains a center of Jewish life and a testament to the city's complex and enduring history. Hidden among the residential canals is Santa Maria dei Miracoli, a Renaissance masterpiece completely clad in polychrome marble. Often called the city's jewel box, its elegant design and rich materials make it one of the most beautiful churches in all of Italy. In these quiet districts, the sounds of modern life blend with the echoes of the past, creating an authentic experience far from the main tourist trails. Crossing the city, we enter Dorsoduro, the hard ridge, the artistic heart of Venice, home to galleries and university life. The wooden Accademia Bridge offers the city's most iconic view, looking down the Grand Canal toward the majestic dome of Santa Maria della Salute. This district balances monumental art with quiet backstreets, housing world-class collections in palaces that reflect in the sparkling waters. At the Square di San Trovaso, we find one of the city's last active boatyards, where the Alpine-style building hints at the artisans' mountain origins. Here, artisans still maintain the city's gondolas, using techniques passed down through generations of master shipwrights. Nearby, the Church of San Pantalone hides a staggering artistic feat, a massive oil painting covering 400 square meters of the ceiling. Our walk brings us to the Zattere, a long promenade running along the Giudecca Canal, a favorite spot for locals to stroll in the sun. As the light turns the water to gold, we look out across the lagoon, feeling the timeless magic that has drawn people here for over a millennium. Venice is more than a city of stone and water. It is an enduring spirit of beauty and resilience. Thank you for joining our 3-part journey through the floating city. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.